Myself Nitesh Kumar. I am the manager of this school. Welcome to you.
Myself Pratima Kumari, principal of GS Public School, and welcome to you all. Please come.
चलिए सर. मेरे पीछे आइए.
This is our biology lab. Respiration starts from nose. Nose have two holes, which is called nostrils. After nostrils, air goes to nasal cavity. Nasal cavity is an empty space from where air goes to pharynx.
This device is used to measure voltage. And this is a device
After
which is called
pharynx,
rheostat.
air goes to
This
trachea.
device
Trachea,
is used
trachea's
like
another name is
variable
windpipe.
resistance.
After windpipe, air goes to bronchi.
When we move the knob, then the middle of this and this.
So respiration process starts from nose. Nose have two small holes called nostrils. After nostrils, air goes to pharynx, and after
सर इधर से
from this device to this laptop, to this device, and this device. With the access of this networking device, we can use it in the form of router. This is model. See, lot of internet connections are there, lot of devices are there. By which the internet connection is passed on to lot of devices.
Yes.
As we can see, the signal gets passed from one node to another node, and we can have the access of all the internet signals in the form of decoding and synchronizing. As we can see, today we are having the era of 5G technology. We are using the gadgets day by day in a new uniform tool. So we all can use these things in a very refined manner.
आगे he uttered a loud cackle. His mother cackled too and looked over the field at him. और उसकी माता एक बड़ा ही दयालुता भाव से उसकी तरफ देखती है. किसके तरफ? हम किसके तरफ?
स्ट्रॉन्ग रूम को ले लो.
find the focal length of a given convex lens using distant object method. And for this experiment, we need some materials. And the material we have, this is optical lens. This is a convex lens, lens holder, and a screen. Using this material, we will perform the experiment and we will find the focal length. And we will find the focal length of this convex lens. We don't know what is the focal length of this convex lens. And we will try to find out the focal length of this convex lens using distant object method. And for this, at first, we take the reading of the lens holder. Where is the lens holder? You can see here it is a marking. And the marking in the optical bench shows some points of the lens. And here you can see what is the reading. You can see what is the reading. Check. What is the reading here? 35. So it is a lens is at the 35 centimeters. And where we will get a sharp image of the lights coming from the windows, that will be the focus of this lens. And from the focus and pole, we will get the focal. It is a
Red comes under one hand, like the king, like the dictator. Then it is called autocratic government. And liberalism wanted to end the autocracy. The second point, liberalism supported republican form of government with parliamentary structure. You know, in parliament, the citizens vote and form their government.
प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं प्रैक्टिकल करते रहो बेटा प्रैक्टिकल करते रहो कुछ
Now we have a copper sulfate solution, and as we know, the color of copper is brown. So whenever we dip the iron nail, whenever we dip the iron nail into a copper sulfate solution, the color of the copper sulfate solution is overlapped on iron nail. So here we call it displacement reaction. Why we call it displacement reaction? Because copper is more reactive than iron. So the effect of copper will show into this iron nail. Okay. Now we are going to dip this nail into a copper sulfate solution. So what is the color of this iron nail? It is looking like silver. Yes, after a few minutes, it will change into a brown color. Okay. Now we are going to dip it. Wait for a second. Okay. Now we are going to explain precipitation. What is precipitation? So first we are going to take barium chloride salt. Okay. We have a two salt, barium chloride
And the distribution was very high. So they wanted to meet the distribution. Liberals wanted equality for all before the law. Law will not be हर कास्ट और हर रिलीजन के लोगों को इक्वल रेस्पेक्ट और इक्वल
cell organ, there is cytoplasm which is present in a nuclear structure. The outer covering layer is called cell membrane. And the cell membrane is made of protein and lipid. And the center one, nucleus is found. Okay. Here we can see that the bio experiment was onion piece. What are the materials required? It is onion, salad, penicillin, water, plus broth, protein paper and fatty acids. What are the procedures? You have to take an onion skin from an onion glass. Here is fine onion or one put a drop of piece in there.
They were also clean. और आगे है क्या, हमें अपने देश पर गर्व है। तो इसमें पद परिचय कैसे करेंगे? पहले ये समझ गए हम लोग कि पद किसको कहते हैं और शब्द किसको कहते हैं। शब्द क्या है? शब्द ही पद बन जाता है जब उसका उपयोग हम लोग वाक्य में करते हैं। शब्द ही पद का रूप धारण कर लेता है जब उसका उपयोग हम वाक्यों में करते हैं। और पद किसे कहते हैं? पद उसे कहते हैं जो व्याकरणीय नियमों के अधीन कार्य करता है, उसके अनुशासन में कार्य करता है, उसको कहते हैं पद। और शब्द का क्या होता है?
थोड़ा सा जाइए आगे।
आगे जाते हैं सर।
We have already read about the volume of cone. I have told already that the volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. Now today I will do practical. form is filled.
Okay.
Again, we are going to fill the form. Again, I have filled the form.
Again, थोड़ा सा.
राइट.
Again, the form is filled. What will conclude about the volume of the form?
CWSM toilet.
The volume
Pause
of
करके
the
चलते
form is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. In other words, the volume of cylinder is 3 times the volume of the form. This is the value.
चलिए एंड कर दीजिए सर. एंड कर दीजिए मैम. हाथ जोड़ के थैंक यू. हैं? नहीं नहीं यहीं पे कर लीजिए ना.
Thank you so much.